Perched on the rolling hills of Mudanya, Yıldız Tepe Restaurant is more than a destination. It's a dialogue between architecture and nature. From the moment we envisioned this project, our goal was clear: to create a space where the landscape could take center stage, complemented by design that feels both timeless and grounded. The restaurant's expansive views of the Marmara coastline, visible from nearly every angle, are framed by a structure that integrates seamlessly with its environment. Here, the architecture doesn't impose itself on the land. It enhances it. Using natural materials like stone, wood, and glass, we wanted the building to reflect the textures and tones of its surroundings. The design emphasizes openness and flow, creating an experience that shifts with the light and weather. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows blur the line between interior and exterior, inviting the horizon into every corner of the space. Our approach to construction focused on precision and respect. Every detail, from the placement of the beams to the layering of the stone, was designed to echo the natural beauty of Mudanya. The terraces and outdoor seating areas were crafted as extensions of the terrain, offering guests a direct connection to the outdoors. Yıldız Tepe is more than a restaurant. It's a place to pause, to reflect, and to reconnect with the beauty around us. Through thoughtful design and a deep respect for the site, we hope to have created a space that celebrates the art of living, one meal, one view, and one moment at a time.